Hi, and welcome to this quick overview of SemaConnect's cable management system. It works with all SemaConnect electric vehicle charging stations, and it's designed to keep the cables clean and organized and further enhance your property. The cable easily extends to the right length needed to reach the vehicle's charge port. The lanyard supports the charging cable, keeping it above the parking surface at all times. When the charging session is complete, the driver simply returns the plug to the station, and the cable automatically retracts to a clean, organized loop. The cable management system is available for a single station on a pedestal mount, or for 2 stations on a dual pedestal, and wall-mounted with 2 stations. As you can see, this will help modernize any garage or parking lot. And like our charging stations, it's built for durability and corrosion resistance for years of carefree operation. To learn more about SemaConnect's cable management system, please visit www.semaconnect.com or call 800-663-5633.